Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and remove batteries because you will work on live electronics otherwise. Once done, use a Torx driver to remove the 5 screws and a plastic spudger to separate the back shell. Be gentle to avoid clipping tabs. As you open, keep track of screws and note where springs sit. This matters for reassembly. You will inspect the bumper mechanism next, so lay parts in order. Make sure your workspace is well lit and organized for the next step. Once you have the shell off, gently disconnect any ribbon cables and remove the top shell to expose the bumper assembly. You will see the bumper plunger, its spring, and the contact area. Inspect for dirt, broken tabs, or plastic burrs that cause jamming. Use a soft brush and 90% isopropyl to clean, then apply a very small amount of silicone grease to the plunger rails to restore smooth travel. If a spring is bent or out of seat, reposition it using tweezers before proceeding. Reassemble by reversing steps. Make sure the spring sits squarely in its cup and the plunger moves freely before closing the shell. Once screws are back in place, reinsert the battery and test each bumper by pressing firmly several times. You should feel a crisp click. If a bumper is still sticky, double-check that the plastic tabs aren't catching the edge of the housing, and if necessary, replace the bumper module. This solves most persistent jams. Finally, calibrate in the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.